In the last video, we looked at how to extract data from invoices with ChatGPT. If you have not seen it, I encourage you to start there. I'll put the link in the description. We ended up with an Excel spreadsheet like this. Today, our job is to get ChatGPT to automatically interpret the item descriptions and assign account code, account name, and account type to each of the items. Automating this process is non-trivial with traditional software. I will show you how ChatGPT can simplify this problem. Let's dive into invoice descriptions, which are often written as free-form text by suppliers. Take this example. You see a Lenovo IdeaPad Gen 7. Unless you know that Lenovo is a computer brand, it's hard to know what this item really is. The same goes for the HP ProLiant Xeon. It's actually a computer server. This kind of situation presents a challenge for traditional software because they rely on keywords to find matches. The problem with keyword matches is you need to create an extensive list of potential keywords. Capturing all the possible keywords is really difficult. This is where ChatGPT changes the game. It doesn't look for keywords. Instead, it understands the context behind the descriptions and finds matches based on this understanding. This approach really improves accuracy. For instance, ChatGPT knows Lenovo and HP are prominent computer brands, and Xeon is a type of server CPU. It uses this knowledge to intelligently deduce these items pertain to computer hardware. Another issue is each company has its own rules for assigning accounts code. For example, some companies might decide that any spending less than $1,000 will be expensed. In that case, other computers normally classify as fixed assets. The Lenovo notebook PC that cost $560 each should be classified as an expense rather than a fixed asset. Traditionally, software must be specifically engineered to handle this type of rules, and any changes to the rules require programming by technical experts. This process is both time-consuming and costly. With ChatGPT, you can simply write the instruction in plain English. ChatGPT is designed to understand these requirements and adapt to any ad hoc changes without needing programming or retraining. Let me show you how. We are now at the ChatGPT webpage. ChatGPT has been trained on billions of public documents, including thousands of accounting manuals. It knows how to automatically assign account codes even without specific instructions from us. Let's give it a try. First, let's define the role. Then, we need to tell ChatGPT the task and also the communication style and output format. Now, a final item that is really important. Please ensure your responses are professional and accurate. This last sentence is crucial to minimize the risk of hallucination. Hallucination means the AI might sometimes generate made-up details or incorrect facts. The last sentence helps to reduce hallucination. Let's try it out. Look here, ChatGPT confirmed that it understands my instructions. We are good to go. I'm going to give it the first item description, Lenovo Yoga. ChatGPT intelligently recognized that this item is a computer equipment and correctly assign it to an asset account. But take note, we haven't given it our accounting manual yet. Therefore, this response is based on what it has seen in its training data. So, the account code is different from the one in my accounting manual. Now, let's try something harder. Fuji Xerox Tokyo Center. It is an office copier cum printer. Let's see if ChatGPT can recognize it. See? He has no problem recognizing that it is an office equipment and classifying it as an asset. You can also read here the reason for assigning account code. Pretty intelligent, right? With that understanding, we are ready to do something really exciting. We can get ChatGPT to understand our accounting manual and then assign account codes according to our rules. For the purpose of this demo, I've mocked up an accounting manual, something simple but realistic. Let me show you. There is a section on current assets, fixed assets, and many other standard ones, a total of 11 pages. Let me drill down on one account type, fixed assets. You can see the account codes here and also the account names. For each account, there is a paragraph of description. ChatGPT will use this description to interpret and assign spending items accordingly. This is where you can input the rules you want ChatGPT to follow. For example, I've included here in the computer hardware account a condition that if the unit cost of an item is less than $1,000, classify it as an IT expense instead. Remember this condition. Later during the demo, we'll see if ChatGPT is smart enough to understand this kind of instructions. Let's upload the accounting manual and then instruct ChatGPT to assign account codes according to the document. Okay, the accounting manual has been uploaded. Let's give it the same instructions as before. But this time, I'm instructing ChatGPT to assign account codes based on the accounting manual I just uploaded. Okay, seems like ChatGPT understands my instructions. Let's try the HP Pro line. I'm also giving it the unit cost and the total amount. Just like before, ChatGPT has no problem recognizing that the HP Pro line is a computer hardware and correctly classify it as a fixed asset. But more importantly, this time, it correctly assigned the account code according to my accounting manual. This is the account code from the accounting manual. It says 2010. And ChatGPT also says 2010. Now, let's try this one. The Lenovo IdeaPad. Remember we set a rule that if the unit cost of a computer hardware is less than $1,000, classify it as an IT expense instead of a fixed asset. In this case, the unit cost is $560. So it should be classified as an IT expense. Let's see if ChatGPT is able to do that. Alright, let's take a look. I can see that ChatGPT has correctly classified it as an IT expense. And take a look at the account code here. 7,200 is the correct code. And if you look over here, it explained that because the unit cost is less than $1,000, therefore it is categorized as an expense rather than a fixed asset. So ChatGPT proves that it can understand human language instructions very well. With that understanding, let me show you how to upload multiple spending items in a spreadsheet like this to ChatGPT and ask it to fill up these columns for us. I'm uploading the spreadsheet with the spending items. Let me give the same instructions, except this time, I'm telling ChatGPT to read from a spreadsheet and return the results in an Excel file. Bear in mind that I have already uploaded the accounting manual previously, so I don't need to upload it again. Okay, ChatGPT is done. It has also given me a link here to download the output. Let's check it out. Alright, we are looking at the spreadsheet that ChatGPT created. As you can see here, the account columns have been properly filled up. The HP Pro line is accurately classified as a fixed asset, whereas the Lenovo is classified as an IT expense because its unit price is below $1,000. And the server setup as well as maintenance are also classified as IT expenses. In today's video, we have explored a powerful feature of generative AI. By uploading your own data, you can leverage ChatGPT to significantly enhance your operations. In our next video, I will demonstrate how to build an AI assistant capable of automating tasks from extracting items from PDF invoices to generating an Excel spreadsheet with account codes, all with a single click. What we have covered is just the tip of the iceberg. There are many more scenarios where you can apply this technology. I'm eager to hear your ideas. Please share them in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe to my channel.